Hi everyone, welcome back to the ViWizard YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Pandora music to MP3. Normally, Pandora doesn't let you download songs as MP3 files because of encryption and copyright rules. Even the offline downloads can only be played inside the Pandora app. But with ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder, you can get around this. Despite its name, it's actually a music downloader that works with 9 different music platforms, and Pandora is one of them. I've already downloaded a playlist from Pandora, and now all the songs are saved as MP3 files. That means I can play them anywhere or transfer them to any device I want. So, let's see how to do it step by step. First, download and install ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder on your Windows or Mac. Open the program, then click the menu icon and go to Preferences. Set MP3 as the output format, adjust the audio quality, and choose your output folder. Next, click the Pandora icon, log into your account, and find the songs, playlists, or podcasts you want to download. If you're on the free plan, it's best to hit play and let a short ad run so the tracks load properly. Then click the plus button, select songs, and click Add to List button. Lastly, hit Convert. When the process is done, click the folder icon, and you'll find all your downloads in MP3 format. If you'd like to discover free ways to download Pandora music to MP3 on both computer and mobile, check out the link to our blog post below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.